how wonderful it is to be spending time back here. You really, like, the winter is long and you just forget. Honestly, it's such a little paradise back here. I'm so grateful, and I just like starting my day with this and having a little coffee. I'm not gonna lie, the fact that iced coffee season is officially here, like, girl, I'm just, oh. I was trying to channel my little in-between outfit moment and actually get dressed, and yeah, now I'm just sitting here. I'm like, no, this is risky. This is probably not a great option for at-home life, and also drinking a little very stain-likely beverage. Meryl's somewhere in the garden eating grass. She loves to eat grass and then just come here and puke it up, and I know people are always like, that's a sign that she has an upset stomach. I'm like, how do you stop a cat from eating grass? I don't know. I'm like, alright gang, this is something that I don't often show the vlog, and it's because when I go about my packing business, I usually turn into a mad woman. I'm very scatterbrained, and I just kind of usually like turn my music on and I'm running around the house for hours on end, but hopefully today will be a little bit more peaceful. I'm packing for the weekend in Montreal for F1. I've already decided my outfits, so they are set aside, so hopefully because of that, because I'm not in a last minute manner deciding what my outfits will be, this will be a lot more peaceful. So let's pack. Dun, 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 dun. We've got the carry-on, we've got the big boy, and we've got our packing cubes. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have been so in love with the Quince website. This isn't an ad, but you know that I've done a few ads with them, but I actually ordered their packing cubes. They are so good. I have had packing cubes from Amazon. I have a few of them from Amazon actually. These are my Amazon ones. Every single one, like every single one of my bigger ones, zipper ripped within like the first couple of uses, which is very annoying. These are actually like really thick and durable. I was so impressed. So shout out to Quince for their packing cubes. Hell yeah. I would be nothing without my packing cubes, but usually where I start is my must-have outfits, my most crucial outfits, and can't have the possibility of having things lost in my luggage bits go in my carry-on. So I usually take one big packing cube that lives in the carry-on, and those are my must-have outfits, aka for this particular instance, my race day outfit and the night out outfit I'm gonna put into the packing cube, and that's gonna go in my carry-on. Outfits packed. So then on the other side of my carry-on, I usually pack my jewelry case, which I haven't actually packed yet. I'll pack my tripods, which I'm currently filming on. And then I pack my most important shoes and also any designer bags that I might be bringing. So I'm gonna put my bags in. Got my shoes packed and ready to go. Ooh, you know what? I might put my tripods into my check-in this time, TBH. I'm bringing a pair of a little emergency flats, and I'm just gonna put those beside my packing cube. That's good to go. You know what? Yeah, actually that just might be it for the carry-on. I'll see if I can squeeze my little jewelry case into here later, but if not, I can also just put it on my bag, so that's fine. So, staples. That was easy. Carry-on is good to go. Let's move on to the rest. Now into the bathroom. I kind of love a good little trip like this because I know exactly what I'm doing. I know exactly how I want my hair to look. So packing like my hair stuff, skincare, toiletries, all that goodness is far easier than when I don't know what's going on. In the cupboard here, I just keep all of my like travel size things, and then I have all of my like backup things. These are the best. The big Stony Clover bags are amazing. I got my little travel skincare bag. That was a beautiful engagement gift from my darling friend Ellie from her brand, Ellie Mae Studios. These have been so used and loved over the years. It's so good. And then usually I just keep things in here. Honestly, I've got like an almost empty cleanser. I keep some of my like travel sized hair goods in here. I usually have some pads, and I like to keep some sheet masks in here. I have some makeup wipes. Like I just usually am traveling quite a bit, so I always have this a little bit locked and loaded. But we're going to assess the situation, do a switch up. I will certainly not be getting my period, so I'm just going to take those out. It's just in the way right now. So for hair things, I definitely want my straightener. I think I'm just gonna do my waves, but I also think I'm getting my hair done, so I don't really have to worry about my hair too much, which is great. I'm also not bringing any of my workout stuff, so usually I'd be bringing like all of my hairsprays and things like that, but I really don't think I need it, which is great. So I'm just gonna pack my hairbrush, pack a little texturizing spray, my comb if need be, and I'm also gonna wash my hair in the morning before we go. So honestly, I think that's it, which is amazing. Now for travel skincare, I have my little travel size Caudalie cleansing oil, which which I just love so much. I always keep this little travel size Tatcha Indigo Overnight Repair, and I just refill that, which is great. I've got a little bit left in my Bioderma. I think I'll be able to get through. It's a nice quick trip, so we should be okay. Ooh, I need my fragrance. You know it's gonna be my Orbella. Perfect. Great, those are good, set aside. I will finish those tonight after I do my evening ablutions, and that should be good. So next up I'm packing my little carry-on satchel, the bag that goes onto my carry-on. I actually got this one from Lululemon, and it's been really amazing, which is great. Usually in here, I just kind of keep things. I keep things like my neck pillow, which I'm not bringing with me on this trip because I don't need it. I'm not needing to sleep. I'm going on a day flight. I keep my compression socks. I wash them after every trip that I use them, and then I just throw them back in here. I have this little tech pouch. I usually just throw random things in here, like my phone chargers, my laptop charger. I'll throw like my sleeping mask in here, which is kind of random that I put it in here, but it's just where it ends up. And then I have my little like in-flight toiletry bag, which is very cute. And this is the same bag that matches my skincare bag, but actually his are right here. I'm just gonna show you this. Dan is a Tumi man. These are his Tumi bags, and he just loves them so much. Oh, sorry, dear. So much so that he ordered me one. Tumi came out with this like yellow collection, and he ordered this for me, which was very, very sweet. So who am I to deny a beautiful little monogrammed bag from hubby? It was so sweet. And what I actually really like about this is that it opens flat like this. So when I'm on the plane, I'm not needing to dig through everything. I can kind of just access it all in here, which is awesome. So I think I'm gonna see if I can just marry a lot of these worlds in here. So I always keep things like white strips and toothpicks, just things that I like to have with me while I'm on a trip. I have like moisturizers, face sprays, lip balm, a hair elastic. I always have Advil just in case. And then like travel size perfumes, always putting in there. Probably add my hand cream and hand sanitizer, which I need to find. And that's pretty much it. Like really, I don't even need half this stuff, but it kind of just depends on what my trip is and where I'm going. Like, am I going across the pond? What's the vibe? Or is it just a domestic trip, which this is. So I'm not too worried, but I am just gonna transition everything in here because there's like random zipper pockets that I had kind of dispersed things through. So I've got like Fisherman's Friends, a nail file, tissue, another hair elastic. I've got little antibacterial wipes, little wet ones wipes, spare tampon, that can stay in there actually. And that's it, cool. I'll need to charge up my AirPods, add those. My laptop goes in here. So I might have to wander around the house and see what else I need to put in here, but I'm so happy about this. This is so great. If I were going on an overnight flight, I would put like my little earplugs, I would put things for sleep, anything that I would need in here, which is awesome. And then I just have to say, I'm so spoiled in PR, specifically from Dior and Chanel, because they just always send everything in the most beautiful bags. And I looked at this one, I'm like, it's see-through. This is actually really great for my tech pouch. Different from this because this is like chargers and things that I want to grab while I'm on the plane. In here, I put all of my like necessary handheld vlogging equipment. So I've got my mics, I have my tripod for my vlog cam, tripod for my phone. I've got my battery pack, which I've been charging up. I have a cord that I use to plug our Osmo in. I have my G7X, which I always use for photos when I'm traveling. I have the G7X battery charger, and then I have my vlog camera battery charger with a spare battery. And that's, I'm trying to think if there's anything else. I think that's good. I'm sure I'll be fine. I'm sure that's everything. Obviously, I'm filming on my vlog camera, and we've also got the Osmo going. So when I'm done filming this video, I'm gonna charge up the Osmo, put that in here, and then these will go just like in the bag. I personally like having a separate bag for everything. I know it might look crazy and it kind of does drive me crazy that they're not all matching, but it just makes it easier for me to just be able to reach in. Like, okay, I need something moisturizing on the plane, go for my little toiletry bag. Okay, I need vlog equipment, I go here. Okay, I need my charger, I grab this. And so all of that will just be packed up in here. My hair's just getting more and more wild. I should have just put it in a bun, honestly. While we're here, I'm gonna pull out the health cube, which again, I'm going on a really quick trip, so I don't think I'll need much, but we have a drawer here that we just keep all of our like supplements, pre-workouts, electrolytes, all of the goods we keep in here, and we just keep one of our packing cubes that we usually just have as our health cube. Oh no. I need a better solution for this. I just spilled all this creatine, all my drugs. I've got my creatine, Metamucil because I never poo-poo when I'm away. I've got a little baggie of pre-workout. I just keep this little half a tablespoon because that is my 5 grams of creatine. Honestly, I think that's all I'm gonna bring. I've also got Bearbell's protein. Ooh, you know what? I might grab another one of those. Another one. I'll bring a little key lime pie one just in case I'm feeling fancy. And I've just got a little plastic bag and I'm really gonna shove that in. I'm gonna put the Bearbells in my little carry-on bag along with the gum, and then I'll just throw this into my check-in bag. The cube can go back. I'm gonna do a little rejig of my vitamins here. I'm not gonna lie to you. I haven't been taking my vitamins at all. I haven't been taking anything. The only thing I've really been taking has been creatine lately, some magnesium before bed, and that's been it. But because I'm going away, I might take some of my goods in here. I have like a multivitamin, turmeric, some omega-3s. I don't even know what that other one was. I'm actually just gonna bring those. Oh, that was so sour. I'm gonna bring some vitamin C, just in case. You never know. It's been a busy time. Everyday made, travel, all that good stuff. And then I'll put my bedtime magnesium in there too. So actually, that can go in my little health cube, my little health sack. The packing situation's looking pretty good for now. I think I'm honestly gonna like continue the rest of my afternoon and evening and finish up packing once I've like showered, washed myself, done my nighttime skincare routine. I can finish like packing everything up in there. But for now, I would really love to get a good workout in today and get some cardio in because it's been a lazy week. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I've got my 5.5-hour flight. My legs are gonna explode. I gotta lift some weights and I gotta get my legs to sprint in because it just makes you feel so much better when you're getting on a flight. Headphones in, world off, with love. See you on the other side. Full day done, time to go do a 20-minute Peloton. Oh, it's been a while. A little. 20-minute hit run, done. Like listen, I've had my Peloton for many, many years. I had the bike before I had the treadmill. One of the best investments we ever made. I love this thing so much. I do my 20-minute hit runs. Olivia Amato is one of my favorite instructors of all time. She's usually like, she's like the drill sergeant, you know, she's the hard ass. Her vibes were so different in this class. First of all, she was like so much more gentle. Paces were so much less than usual. I'm like, it wasn't a beginner class or anything. So bizarre. And she kept like looking off to the side. I'm like, Olivia Amato, are you okay? Don't you dare ever leave us. Yeah, it was like a much more chill hit class than usual. Like I'm far less sweaty than I usually am. I'm like, what's going on? What's going on? Anyway, oh man, guys, that feels good. That feels very good. Time to make some dinner. The usual salmon. Dinner has been had. We were just watching the video. Dan's finishing it up right now while we were eating. It's like hot date night. Totally watching myself every night during Everyday May. It gets real vibrant around here. I'm also having my true fruits, delicious, for dessert. And I'm gonna go in the sauna. I'm gonna do a hot 20 minutes in the sauna and try to rest and recover because I've got an early morning wake up and I just know I'm gonna be stressed finishing up my packing right now. And anyway, I wanted to just show you guys, this is so random, but you know, Dan and I have our sauna, which we love so much. And we got sent these beautiful towels from a local Vancouver brand called Typical. Shout out to you, Sarah, if you're watching. And they are the stretch towels. And I have never felt or experienced a towel like this in my life. They have so many different colors. They actually have some really fun patterns. And I was like, I might have to get one of the stripey ones for the summertime, but we each have one and they have become our little sauna towels and they are so great. I didn't know that you could like be really into a towel, but I am really into these towels and just wanted to say that they're so good and a little cutie local brand. So let's, sorry Meryl, no sauna for you.
welcome to the sauna. I really haven't shown you guys this much at all, have I? It's because the evenings have been kind of crazy and I honestly haven't been as consistent as Dan has been coming in here. He's been really good about it. He comes in like at least every other night. And usually for me, it's just like a timing issue where you kind of have to let it preheat for quite a while if you want it to feel hot. And usually when bedtime rolls around, I'm just ready for bed. I think I need to start being like a morning sauna person or something. But apparently it's so good for you to do before bed and just have that calm and have that zen. So I'm gonna sit in here, do my little 20 minutes, and then hopefully be very ready for bed. I've been dripping. Woo! That was a good sesh. Oh my goodness. I need to go shower immediately. Alright guys, I have had a bubble bath. I'm gonna wash my hair in the morning before my flight, so don't mind it, it's just sitting gross. I'm just gonna put some core powers into my check bag just to have for the weekend. And I honestly really don't have like much of anything packed in here, but I'm just too scared. They've just lost my bag far too many times for me to be confident in putting anything in my check bag in terms of outfits and stuff. So I'm just gonna pack up my tripod. My airport outfit is laid out for the morning. And I'm gonna go have my nap. Thanks for hanging out with me today, fam. I will see you all tomorrow for a new Everyday May video. En route to Montreal. Bye!